test and tune, getting us ready for the season, which starts next week. We did the heads and cam last week on the dyno. Go back and have a look to see what we made. Other than that, everything is the same. Still running our drum E85 or C85 as some know it. And my beautiful backup girl over there giving it a clean. We'll see if we can find Jeff and get him to tell us what he's changed for us to get down the track. We definitely won't get a PB first one, which I'm not mad about because I just need to ease myself back into it. As we all know, I don't do too well on my first pass, but once I get that out of the way, I should be good to go.
Tried the pedal. Didn't quite get it. Did you have a cheeky pedal?
Yeah.
I saw that.
I was like, oh, no, stop.
He got off it and then got back on it, and I was like, this guy.
Yeah. It just...
Yeah, just got up on the tyre, spun them, so.
Obviously the track's not prepped great for us.
Nah.
But how does it go on a regular event? Do they do a bit of extra prep before we go down, or do we just have to hope that, because obviously now that we're getting, we're not launching as good as what we normally do, spinning the tyres.
This thing blows the tyres on first run all the time anyway.
Now it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, whereas at the start it was consistently first go down.
So I don't know, I'll speak to Mr. Jeff, see what he wants to do and go from there. Like pressures were at 780. But yeah, put it on charge and do a thing.
Go back again.
Okay.
At least we don't have to do everything.
Yeah, so I have to come and do. Not super confident this is going to go down because we didn't pull any power out of it. Well, we'll see what happens. Went in for the pedal. Naughty girl.
Yeah, I just like to mix it up a little bit.
Mix it up a little bit, yeah, definitely. Left, right.
Yeah. Nah, not liking it.
Bet that made your heart race.
Yeah, a little bit. I was like, oh, nope.
That was naughty.
It was.
Yeah, that was naughty.
I was like, well, if you had to get back in it, nope, didn't get back in it.
No, 2 goes is enough.
Yeah.
Nah. The thing is, it didn't even feel like I went that extra go either. It just...
No, it just
didn't even go the first
It just
go.
happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I got chipped for it when I actually crossed the line. But, you know, they're saying, why did you... Mate, I didn't even know it done.
Nah.
You don't know, you know, it's all right for these guys standing there saying, why'd you do that?
Yeah.
You don't even know you fucking done it. It's just a natural reaction.
Yeah, you got go, yeah.
You're just stabbing it, just trying to get some sort of control.
Yeah. No bueno.
No bueno. Track is just not there.
Nah. And that's a wrap, I think. We only got the 2 passes, just couldn't get off the line. Track just wasn't prepped for us, or wasn't good for us to get down there. Toyed with the idea with taking some more power out, but we weren't really going to achieve much because we weren't trying to win any races. So we'll just pack up and call it a day, and next week we'll be ready for the season opener. Hopefully we can we can get down there, that'll be a good start, but see if we can get ourselves into the finals, which we haven't done yet. Awesome, stick around, you know the drill, like, subscribe and share. Awesome, thanks guys.